Ogbe. Today just day. Now just one Monday. We know just. I try. Even with my head. Nothing happen. Anyway, still on top this picking them and family members matter. One 15-year-old boy, what they call Hannett, they for inside Lanewood, for inside Obodo Yibo for there. Now, Hannett been they chat with his friend on top FaceTime. For those of people who sabi all this internet thing, be like Skype, you know. But now FaceTime, people where they use iOS, now them they use them. Now this guy, they chat with his friend. Now you can notice one kurukere movement. You can't come out say okay, make him go look who they kurukere for inside the, you know, around the area. Now Annette go where Annette go, you don't see anybody. Come back when he continue the chat with his friend like this. Now Annette mistakenly shoot himself. He mistakenly shoot himself. Now my question be say, not be the fact say he mistakenly shoot himself. Waiting 15-year-old boy they do with gun.
Yeah, that be the question now. Well,
now my own question be that.
15 years old,
yes.
They carry gun.
Yes.
Now the film that when they watch these days now. Now the first things first, because what you go on link the whole matter to. Whether na say na bad friends, I've been waiting, I've been a government, I've been a devil. You get this whole craze, not be small.
I know because the guy na just high school in there, aka secondary school. You understand? And the parents causing that they're proud of him because they try protect the area
with gun.
I'm wondering what
so
the 15-year-old they do with gun.
Now the parents that they give access now, they don't already mess up onto the whole level.
Yes.
I mean, waiting 15-year-old person go there.
They do with gun.
But like we talked last time, say these days, many things don't go wrong. Plenty things don't go wrong. Even the young people today, many people know they use their brain again, do things. And so many people don't they go off key for the whole matter. And government still get role to play. You know, so they know how this gun matter, they take the role for inside country and everything. Government still get role to play. But last, it not still mean say because say some things don't do anyhow, we self go there anyhow.
Yes.
You know mean say we go just misbehave because everything not they spoil. No. If not that one, how we go take sit down and say, okay, look, we still want better thing for this country.
Meanwhile, you even know say I think say authorities supposed they careful because the kind of movies where then they watch, the kind of film where then they watch, the kind of music where then they hear, the kind of things where then they do, now need to calm down. Exactly. You understand? Yeah, I come to him, he come to me, I carry the gun, I shoot him, he go away, he come to us, everybody, girls in the club be moving, we gun the gun down.
Now so one guy listen to not be which person's song, I'm not gonna mention the artist's name. And so you just carry gun enter street. You say, man, you know what they do?
Gun.
Right like die. He don't die now. You understand?
He right, he die.
You get so
I beg.
Control of gun and every other thing.
You as pikin, now yes. Your duty as mama, papa, now your duty to censor waiting your pikin they watch. As long as they still under your roof. Whether if they like more than 20 years old, as long as they still under your roof, now your duty to protect them. Censor waiting that they hear and waiting that they watch. Finish.
Bam. It reminds me of one just they talk say some policemen they give them food. Recently, they give them rice. One man invite them come in house. They can't give the policemen rice. I said they chop sleep. The guy pack all their gun. Pack everything. So even our police themselves, I beg, make una self dey careful. Make una self dey careful. So maybe last time they catch one that policeman, they do some kind of kurukere waka for back. We don't go they sell gun, they give people. I beg. This country will they talk say make all of us make it better.
Now for everybody.
Now our hand it
Now for everybody.
Now our hand it there, I beg.
No.
All right, from that sad story to another sad story. This one for inside Brazil. This particular guy, his name now Celsin Jose das Gracias.
What? Talk about again.
Celsin Jose das Gracias. You get the guy. If you see him face alone, you go see murder. The guy say he like to kill people.
Now his hobby.
Just for fun. He just like to kill people. He say he go find target the person. And he like to kill white women them. Just for no reason, no. He say he don't even put himself down as person where if he rents to come kill person and different things. Saying the yarn, saying follow police talk, say don't kill like 37 women, 3 men, and even 2-year-old over the space of 9 years. Don't buy people and just love to kill people. He just love to kill people. He say if you no use a knife or if you no use gun, no, he go just strangle them, hold their neck, just make sure they don't see breeze to breathe again. So very, but my own is say just for the fun of it. Now in the pipe, just for fun. I just wake up, just again, Today, okay, you know, so now just example. You understand? You just go kill for fun. Craze, they happen for everywhere now for this country, for this world.
I just say people suppose they work out with a mad people tester. As a woman base, when you meet somebody on the road, hello, how are you? Hold on, let me test you first. Test the brain. Because people, they craze.
Just for fun. Just for fun. You understand? But the thing is, say, how you want to go test yourself?
Then you run your way, knee. Because I don't even know what to talk. From small children to older ones to younger ones. We want to talk say whether na child abuse won't cause this one when it's small or something when it's sick. Because I doesn't get blood. Laugh the laugh. This is not
but seriously, but before you even jump, go laugh the laugh. Even for other people, them when they follow people that they chat and everything for phone, they very careful.
Yes, social media, they very careful.
Very careful. Last time I followed one of my female friends, he say one guy just pick him for road, help and give him lift to go somewhere. I said, why you could just do that kind of thing?
You could just enter motor car.
You get mind though.
You don't know who
just
be.
Jump enter person motor where you don't know. You just want to give me a lift. Fine, if you talk to me, maybe you stranded or something, but they very careful.
They very careful.
They very careful because not be everybody will carry better face for face. Now they very okay.
Because like Ogbolo now where they rent people, now I rent them. But I send like 1 million people, made them find out things about them before I finally rent them.
Oh, get her.
You understand? You're a rented material. See, if I've never tell you, let me tell you before. They rent you. Now rent you. Ogbolo 15 naira. 15 naira per.
You 250.